For today's video, I will show you how to hide followers on Instagram from friends without a private account. So, let's begin. So, the first thing we need to do is simply to log into our account. If you're using your mobile device, log in using your credential, alright? And then, I'm sorry but to break it to you guys, but as of this moment, there's no way for you to hide followers on Instagram from friends without a private account. But there's like a smart and clever way to work around with that, and that's what we're going to explore today. So all you're gonna do is simply go to your friends list. What we need to do is to restrict someone on Instagram. All right, so the first thing we need to do is there are multiple ways you can restrict someone on Instagram. All right, so if you restrict someone, they won't be able to see you when you're online, or if you've read their messages. All right, their new comments on your post will only be visible to that person, and you can choose to see the comment by tapping see comment. If you want others to be able to see their comment, you can tap approve, then tap approve to confirm, or you can delete it or ignore it. All right, you won't receive any notifications for future comments from that person. Please note, you can also restrict multiple people from your comments. And if you feel like you're being harassed, you can also temporarily limit unwanted comments on your post from groups of action. Now, simply to restrict or unrestrict someone through messages, tap the message icon in the top right of feed, tap the chat with the person you want to restrict. Alright, tap the person's name at the top of your chat, tap the three buttons options in the top right, and then tap restrict account to confirm. All right, okay, so what will happen is, even though you didn't hide them, your followers, on the Instagram, but since you've restricted their mobility, it's almost the same thing. All right, you would basically hide your activities from your followers. You can do this by the Android app, the Instagram app, or iPhone app itself. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.